What if I told you that you could earn rental income without ever dealing with a midnight plumbing emergency? I've got a client, let's call her Sarah, who almost quit real estate investing after her third tenant flooded but a bathroom at 2 a.m. Now, she's sipping lattes in Lisbon while her Toronto condo pays her mortgage. Wild, right? That's the magic of passive real estate investing in Canada. Here's the thing, passive doesn't mean easy, it means smarter. You're not avoiding work, you're outsourcing it. Think of it like hiring a sous chef for your property portfolio. The big players here: REITs, crowdfunding, and turnkey rentals. REITs are like the ETFs of real estate. You own a slice of everything from downtown skyscrapers to suburban storage units. Crowdfunding lets you piggyback on pros buying apartment complexes. And turnkey rentals? They're the IKEA furniture of investing. Fully assembled, tenant ready, managed by someone else. But, and there's always a but, don't skip the fine print. I had a buddy dive into a crowd-funded project without checking the sponsor's track record. Turns out, their luxury condo was a renovated motel near a highway. Yikes. Always vet managers like you're swiping left on Tinder. Fees matter too. That shiny 10% return might drop to 6 after management takes their cut. Here's how to start. First, decide if you're team cash flow or team appreciation. Sarah? She wanted both. Bought a REIT for steady dividends and a crowd-funded townhouse development for long-term growth. Second, dip your toes. You don't need $1 million. Some platforms let you start with $500. Third, automate. Set up direct deposits so those rent checks flow while you're binge watching Netflix. Oh, and taxes? Talk to an advisor. Deducting mortgage interest and property taxes can turn your passive income into a tax-advantaged side hustle. Look, passive investing isn't for everyone. If you're the type who needs control over every light fixture, stick to flipping houses. But if you're cool letting experts handle the grunt work, it's like having rental income on autopilot. So, ready to trade landlord headaches for beach days? Or still clinging to your toolbox? Either way, tell me this. What's your biggest fear about taking the passive plunge? If you want to read more about this topic, see the link in the description. And hey, like and subscribe, or I'll start sending you Zillow listings from 1997. Trust me, you don't want that shag carpet.